Please be ready for a dictation of a news item titled A Gender Equality Framework for Sciences and Tech Disciplines of 26th February, page 12, Hindustan Times. 5 seconds. Start. Gender equality is a human right, and according to the United Nations, it is essential to both ensuring sustainable development and maintaining peace around the world. Diversity is essential to delivering excellence in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, known as STEM. The latest All India Survey on Higher Education report suggests that India's gender gap has narrowed in comparison with the past few years. Female students now constitute almost half of the total enrollment in higher education. The Government of India's initiatives for gender advancement and equality in academic and research institutions are helping women succeed in STEM fields. However, women constitute only 14% of the 280,000 personnel in STEM in India's research development institutions. In addition, although women's participation in the workforce is higher at entry level, it gradually decreases at higher research, academics, and administration levels. Greater gender equality in STEM is crucial and in the larger interest of scientific progress and society. Currently, India is looking at a paradoxical situation where women are studying STEM subjects, but there are not as many women in STEM careers. In order to level the playing field, there is a need for policies and frameworks that promote the representation and advancement of women in science careers. These have been successfully designed and implemented in countries such as the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada. A framework supporting and transforming gender equality in STEM education and research can act as a guiding light and can foster accelerated gains in the representation of women in crucial STEM fields. A gender equality framework recognizes the advancement of gender equality as key to removing structural barriers, including social, cultural, and economic barriers that prevent women from achieving their full potential. By enabling STEM institutions to conduct a thorough self-assessment, the framework can help identify barriers and norms that are unique to an institution, department, or discipline and introduce actions to address them. Equal representation alone will not guarantee achieving gender equality. A framework can set gender equality benchmarks by collecting qualitative data to determine if barriers exist and what actions could be introduced to tackle them. These qualitative criteria can range from promotion of inclusive practices in the workplace to increase retention of women in STEM careers to creating support structures for career progression for women scientists. The Department of Science and Technology has undertaken the program in partnership with the British Council. Key elements of the project include capacity building through training and supporting participating institutions, in self-assessment through collaboration with UK institutions in their gender equality journey. Gender equality frameworks will bring about a shift in approach in technical institutions and will also inspire senior leaders to take every possible action to attract, hire, retain, and promote more women in India's STEM fields. While India has been making strides in this space in terms of a more equitable enrollment ratio, a gender equality framework for higher education institutions will translate into India achieving a sustainable milestone. This will not only be consistent with the ambitious goals of national education policy, but also be crucial in aligning to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal. Stop.